Here's what you're first going to see when you go to Feast Plus. And these are the settings. Colors, you can change these easily like here. And it will also tell you the contrast, so that's good. The font and an example body font, and then an accent font. These are borders that are going to go on your index, so on a grid, so it can look like that with a shadow, etc. And you can also have rounded corners or square corners. These are the borders. Do you want to have a border on all of your images or not? And a shadow. Rounded or square feature, they call it. So it's like a tick box. Buttons you can style that are inside of your text, and a list. So you can actually change them to be an icon, colored circle, or you can click any of these and they will be done automatically and overwrite all of the settings in here. Now we're going to look at the patterns. In the plus button, there's two blocks. It's an accent text and the sidebar author box. And then the patterns are available under Feast Patterns. And they are these about author, ebook, recipe pattern, review pattern, video pattern, recipe display, an alternate, so it's just a small box. Then there's a bunch of these tip boxes that have a different icon in the corner. So this is asterisk, envelope, heart, question, save, find, star, utensils. Then there's this grid that has two across. So those are, it's basically a column, and one other tip pattern. That's a light bulb one. Okay. Then there are some pre-built pages, entire pages. So you have two options for homepage. There's an Alt 1 and Alt 2, and there's the recipe index, Alt 1, Alt 2. And then they have the single line footer, which is just a list going horizontally. And then they have a social landing page. This is to take the place of Linktree. So that is what you get for $1,000 a year.